Hi guys, so today we're gonna prepare some nice Guyanese Hassar all the way from Guyana. We usually get this at the West Indian store here in Canada. So these Hassar they don't really come clean, so because it's frozen and shipping and stuff like that, obviously you gotta clean it really well because it comes with a lot of rank and it doesn't come clean at all. So I would have like cut the Hassar belly here, and we're gonna clean it out and wash it all the rank with some nice lemon here. This is to eliminate all the rankness, especially the belly. You want to clean it like really good because it has a lot of rank. I would have cut off most of the fins. It's been a while we didn't cook Hassar curry. It's gonna go nice with some rice and also go with roti as well. 5 big Hassar all the way from Guyana. Hassar is one of those favorite thing you don't really eat too often, because the thing is that you don't really find it in a lot of places. You want to get it, you gotta go like to a special West Indian store. This is a huge one. Look at this one, guys. Almost the size of my hands. Wow. It looks like those big Hassar from Florida, but these ones, especially they're from Guyana, imported by West Indian stores. Just washing off the rank. Of course, the belly. Took out all the guts and rinsed it up pretty well. Now I'm just cleaning the belly with the lemon. Hassar is a very sweet fish. So 5 big Hassar, this is gonna give us a nice curry. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out now. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and wash this out clean now. Squeeze out all the lemon. Wash the belly again. Gonna go ahead and get another wash. And then we're gonna drain this out. Hi guys, so we're getting everything started here to get our Hassar curry going. So I just want to show you what I have prepared here to put into the Hassar curry. So today we have here 1.5 spoon of curry powder. We have here half spoon of garam masala, half spoon of jeera, half spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of salt. Over here we have like 4 stem of shallot. We have like 3 sage, some ginger chopped up here with 2 red pepper. We have over here like 8 cloves of garlic, 1 small garlic. We have here 1 onion, 5 okra. Okra is a must thing. We usually put in a lot of fish curry. And so I decided to get 5 nice okra here and 1 big tomato. It's kind of frozen, that's why I didn't cut it up. And we have our nice 5 Hassa over here, really big, all the way from Guyana, and our cocoa milk ready here. So first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and add my onion. I'll let this fry up a little. So we're gonna let our onion fry up a bit. We want it a little golden brown at least. So we're gonna let that fry for a little bit. Alright, so while that's frying, we're gonna go ahead and add our garlic now. Garlic adds a good flavor to the curry always, so we always try to add a lot of garlic. And our ginger. Ginger adds a good flavor to it as well. Alright, we're gonna let this fry a little bit. The ginger smells really good. We're gonna turn this on a little bit more. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our main ingredient here. Many people usually tend to mix this up with water, but we decide that we would just add it to the oil just like this, and this way it fries up better rather than adding water, as much as a lot of people usually add water to it before. We usually do it just directly into the oil. Alright, this needs to fry up good. This is what makes it a good curry, the curry paste. Alright, so we're gonna let this fry at least 2 minutes. It needs to fry up good. Alright guys, so our curry paste would have fried up nice here. So we're gonna go ahead and add our Hassa now. Alright, so we're gonna turn this up nice. You just need to bonjol really good. Smells yummy. Nice Guyanese style Hassa, all the way from Guyana. We'll let this bonjol for at least 2 minutes or so, and then we're gonna add our other stuff to the curry Hassa. Alright guys, our Hassa would have bonjol nice here. Alright, we're gonna add our shallot in. Looks really good there. Then we're gonna add all our remaining tomato or okra and our saigon. Now let this fry up a bit. The tomato gonna break down eventually. It's a little bit frozen. Smells really good. And now we're gonna add our coconut milk. Today we're gonna only use half coconut milk because we don't want to make it too rich with the whole tin. Alright guys, our Hassar curry coming up nice there. Alright, we're gonna let this cook for a bit. For sure we don't want it to boil too much so it doesn't break up. So we're gonna turn it nicely. Smells really good. Alright guys, our Hassar is looking all good to go. Look, it's so wonderful, smelling so yummy. My God, look at this. I'm gonna go have this with some nice rice now. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and remember to like, share this video if you love this content, and subscribe to see more of these nice wonderful videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.